Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Woodworking has a special ability to transform simple materials into pieces that shape the atmosphere of a home. A piece of wood in the hands of a creative maker becomes more than furniture. It becomes warmth, functionality, and personality. Across homes around the world, handcrafted wooden furniture continues to gain admiration because it offers something mass-produced items rarely provide: character, durability, and authenticity. When we explore wood craft projects like bedside tables, chairs, wardrobes, center tables, wall shelves, candle holders, and creative storage pieces, we discover how everyday objects can become beautiful statements of craftsmanship. Each project carries the potential to enhance a living space, while also reflecting the creativity of its maker. Today's homes are evolving rapidly. People are searching for furniture that balances practicality with style, and wooden crafts naturally fit that need. A carefully designed bedside table can transform a bedroom corner into a cozy reading spot. A wall bookshelf can turn a plain wall into an inspiring library display. A unique center table can become the focal point of an entire living room. What makes woodworking especially exciting is the endless freedom to experiment with design. A simple chair can become modern with sleek angles. A wardrobe can include clever storage sections that make daily routines easier. Even decorative pieces like wall clocks and candle holders can add warmth and personality to a home. In this video, we explore a collection of inspiring woodcraft ideas, from furniture essentials to decorative pieces, that combine beauty, practicality, and creativity. These projects show how woodworking can bring life to every corner of a home while inspiring makers to keep experimenting with new ideas. Let's step into a world where imagination meets craftsmanship and explore wooden creations that transform houses into homes. One of the most beloved wooden furniture pieces in any bedroom is the bedside table. Though small in size, bedside tables play a big role in daily comfort. They hold books, lamps, phones, and personal items that people reach for at night or early in the morning. A thoughtfully designed bedside table can add elegance and functionality at the same time. Modern bedside tables often focus on simplicity and clean lines. Some designs include floating bedside shelves attached directly to the wall, giving the room a light and spacious feel. Others include small drawers or hidden compartments where personal items can be stored neatly. The beauty of crafting bedside tables is that they allow woodworkers to experiment with shapes, textures, and finishes while creating something truly useful. Another classic woodworking project is the wooden chair. Chairs are among the most recognizable furniture pieces, yet they provide endless opportunities for creative design. From minimalist dining chairs to sculptural lounge chairs, the possibilities are limitless. Some chairs emphasize comfort with curved backs and wide seats, while others highlight visual elegance through slim frames and geometric patterns. Crafting wooden chairs requires attention to structure and balance, ensuring they remain strong and comfortable. But beyond their practical role, chairs also carry artistic potential. A chair placed near a window or in a quiet reading corner becomes more than seating. It becomes a place where people relax, reflect, and enjoy their surroundings. Large furniture pieces like wardrobes represent another exciting woodworking challenge. Wardrobes are essential for organizing clothing and personal belongings, but modern designs often go far beyond simple storage. Contemporary wardrobes may include sliding doors, built-in mirrors, and modular compartments that adapt to changing needs. Wooden wardrobes bring warmth and elegance to bedrooms. Natural wood grains create beautiful patterns that make each wardrobe unique. Some designs incorporate open shelving for decorative items, while others focus on clean surfaces that highlight the natural character of the wood. One particularly creative concept in woodworking is the special two-story bed, commonly known as a bunk bed. These beds are ideal for children's rooms or shared spaces, offering both functionality and playful design possibilities. A well-designed two-story bed can include integrated ladders, storage drawers, or small desks beneath the upper bed. Two-story beds demonstrate how woodworking can solve practical challenges while adding charm to a room. They help maximize space, especially in smaller homes, while providing a fun and imaginative sleeping environment for children. Moving into the living room, center tables become essential elements of interior design. A center table sits at the heart of the room, often surrounded by sofas and chairs. Because of its central position, it naturally draws attention and sets the tone for the entire space. Wooden center tables can take many forms. Some designs highlight thick solid slabs that showcase natural wood grain, while others combine wood with glass or metal for a modern aesthetic. Creative woodworkers sometimes build center tables with hidden storage or layered surfaces that provide extra functionality. Alongside center tables, side tables offer convenient surfaces for lamps, drinks, or decorative items. Side tables often stand beside sofas or chairs, creating balanced arrangements within a room. Though smaller than center tables, side tables can be surprisingly creative. Some feature stacked circular layers. Others include sculptural bases that resemble art pieces. Another versatile woodcraft project is the wall shelf. Wall shelves are incredibly popular because they combine storage with decoration. A simple wooden shelf can hold books, plants, photographs, or artistic objects. When arranged creatively, multiple shelves can transform an empty wall into an eye-catching display. Woodworking is a journey that blends creativity, patience, and craftsmanship. Every project, from a small candle holder to a large wardrobe, offers an opportunity to learn, improve skills, and create something meaningful. The beauty of woodcraft lies in its versatility. It can produce practical furniture, decorative pieces, and artistic designs that enrich everyday living. When you begin exploring projects like bedside tables, chairs, center tables, wall shelves, and unique decorative items, you quickly realize that woodworking is more than just building objects. It is about shaping spaces, creating comfort, and adding personality to the places we call home. As you continue your woodworking journey, remember that each piece you create carries your unique signature. The grain of the wood, the smoothness of the finish, and the precision of each joint reflect your dedication and creativity. Over time, these projects become more than furniture. They become lasting expressions of craftsmanship. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.